the person who ordered the stuff. Let's eat it. Here, let's get my plate. I'm gonna not normally do. Okay, let's talk normally. I talk like that. I know this is not supposed to be a British accent. Let's get my breakfast. Okay, first we're gonna start with this. Why are you doing that? Okay, I added some bread. Let's add some vanilla. Okay. Let's get my freaking spoon. And then lastly, this. Let's eat. Hey! Sorry about that. Okay, now let's eat this. No! No! No. Thank you, everyone. Okay, let's wash my dishes. First, what I need to clean is this thing. Okay, let's put right there. And what we got? Okay, we have this thing there. My shorts.